Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by creating the project and picking a voice. Do that now. Sign into Google, open AI Studio and choose or make the project. Enable the text-to-speech/voice model and confirm API and billing access so you can export. Next, create a new voice session, pick the model and language, and upload your script or paste text. Once done, set output format and sample rate, then run a short preview to verify the basic tone before deeper edits. Now refine the sound. Use SSML for precise pauses, emphasis, and pitch changes so the delivery feels natural. You'll edit prosody settings and phonemes for names or jargon, make small tweaks in preview after each change because small adjustments compound. If you need ambience, import background clips and set ducking or volume automation. Once you confirm timing, export short segments at different bitrates to compare clarity and file size, and iterate until pacing and intelligibility match your goal. Finish by exporting your final audio in the chosen format, such as WAV or MP3, and set the sample rate and bitrate for your use case. Save the voice configuration as a preset, then create an API key so you can deploy or integrate the voice into apps. Make sure to store keys securely and rotate when needed. If something goes wrong, check quotas, IAM permissions, and SSML syntax. Rerun a short preview to isolate the issue, and make one change at a time to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.